Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to your boy's garage. We got the LMM back here. A little bit of a random little project we got going on. I've had just about every exhaust system besides like a fender exit. I've ran just regular side, out the side, axle dump. My LML's currently right there. My LBZ's hood stacked. I've never ran a bed stack. And I happen to have a bed stack because I ran it as a tip on my Cummins a long time ago. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna slap the bed stack on. This is gonna be like temporary setup. I want to make it nice if I actually do like it. Like I want to go through my tonneau cover like right here and do that little, I don't know, exhaust ring that people run. But for right now, I'm just gonna take the tonneau cover off. Take the tonneau cover off, get the exhaust routed up, and yeah, see how I like it. I have this suction cup mount. I'm gonna try. Really don't want to risk my camera, so I'm gonna do it with my phone. I'm gonna put this phone mount, slap it all there, and hopefully get some good exhaust clips for you guys and not lose my phone. Yeah, I know this is wicked cringe, but this paint's already messed up. I don't really care. Look, right there from burnouts. I don't know, it's gotta be pretty strong. I'm literally shaking my entire truck. I got my phone set up there. Hopefully this mount works. I don't know, we'll test it out. It looks like a good angle. Alright, well, Conan and his ball. Alright, well, hopefully those sound clips are pretty good. Let's get this truck on the lift. Let's remove my tonneau cover and go from there. Are you gonna put it on the lift for me, buddy? I went to a local truck store, picked up this 95-inch pipe right there, just so wherever I don't know, we kind of got to measure where I need to cut the pipe, and then just shoot it right back up. I have a feeling I'm gonna fight taking my adapters that I have in there off, but that's a future problem. For now, take the tonneau cover off, and then the future problem begins, so I can see exactly how this is gonna sit in my bed. I also gotta take this mat out of here for now. Woo, baby, gotta get it. This Amazon exhaust tip. Kind of hella beating. Look, you can't even tell I was whacking that. All right, let's see how this looks. Oh, dang. That's a little taller than I wanted, but you know, we can figure that out. Ideally, I wanted this tip to be like a lot lower, closer to this, but that's fine. We can test run it now. For now, I see how we like it first before. Because the worst case, that way I don't have to buy a new exhaust. This is all like budget build, I guess. I'll just do this exact cut and just do it like right here. Or a little higher, but right there. You get what I'm saying. Ooh, looks pretty sick though. I actually do kind of like how it looks. I think we're gonna get chopping. Let's bring this baby up and see what we can make happen. Also, I never noticed how loose my exhaust, like I don't even know, it's on a hanger. It's like, it's all on hangers, so I don't even know why my exhaust looks so loose in that video. But let's get this out of there. This is honestly the best, cheapest tool a shop or you could invest in. Am I even getting anywhere? There we go. Woo! Oh yeah, baby. Got a tail section out. Now we gotta get this piece out of here. And then put the 90. I gotta take that plate out of there. And then get this 90 up. That 90 installed. First we gotta figure out exactly where, holy shit, I'm out of breath. We gotta get this 90 figured out exactly where I could put it and run it up. I ran into a little dilemma. As some of you guys might know, I got bags. It kinda, the ghetto bagged version. I run in 2 leaf springs bags right there. And I got my air line that goes right there to where my air management is. On the other side of this, sorry if the quality's bad, but my exhaust at 90 goes right up. And this airline is indeed in the way. Alright, well, while the truck is up in the air, I'm gonna take some quick advantage and do an oil change on it. Might as well, because this truck sucks to put on the lift, so we'll bust out the oil change and then we'll get back to it. I ended up actually going to pick up this hole saw. That way I don't deal with the angle grind and cut in, like trying to cut a perfect circle with an angle grinder. I don't want to deal with that. So let's finish up this oil change, plug that up real quick, fill it with oil before I forget to put oil in it, and then continue back with the thing. What happened over there?
He stuck his nose in the food bag. Like he's getting free nutties.
Now that I just drilled out my little pilot hole there, I definitely don't want to drill with the hole saw from the bottom up. First, it might give me weird ridges up top on the other side, and I just don't want everything falling on me. So I'm gonna grab this ladder, bring me over there, and then drill from the top and go down. Dude! Bye. Well, there goes my hole saw all the way down there. It just unscrewed and fell off. Well, let's see how meant to be this is. Oh, shit. Alright, well, I'll have to deal with that after. That was honestly a good, perfect execution. I just gotta put a clamp there, tighten that hanger and clamp there. Now let the tranny jack down. Well, boys, this is the final result. I'm pumped on how it came out. It's literally like the perfect height too. So let's get a sound clip. Hopefully I like it, and then we end up actually making it like a permanent solution. Honestly, sounds exactly the same, but we'll see how it is when I'm driving it. that'll be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Honestly, I kind of do like the bed stack. It's kind of cool. We'll run it for a little bit, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Till next time, please like, share, subscribe for more. Peace.